Hey, I just wanted to make a quick video showing you how you could add custom heads, custom bodies, custom guns, and custom maps into Audica. It's all pretty straightforward, and I'll show you how you can do that pretty quickly here. So the first thing I'll show you how to do is adding heads, bodies, and guns, because they're all pretty much in the same spot and pretty easy to do. So first we're going to want to go and find what you're actually looking for. So we'll go into the Discord here, and this is the Audica modding Discord. You can find everything for customization inside of here. There's a couple of other websites too where you can find these things, but for the most part I use the Discord because you can find everything. Depending on what you're looking for, you just switch between the different channels, but in this case I'm going to be using the guns, and I've got a gun from up top here already downloaded, but pretty much all you would want to do is just download whatever file for whatever gun you were looking for. So I've got the triple barreled shotgun here, and it's for the zip file. You should get the same thing when you download it. And then all you need to do is you're going to go into your computer files, you go to this PC, you'll want to go to your C drive, you'll go down to Steam, we'll go to Steam apps, we're going to go to common, Audica, and then customization. And here's where you'll be able to add all three of these things to be able to customize them really easily. And I'll show you how we can add a gun real quick. So you're just going to go into the gun folder, and as you can see I've got quite a few guns in here already, but all you need to do is take the zip file that you got from wherever you downloaded the model, you'll add it right into here, and then all you have to do is extract here. This will add all of the files that you need for the gun into your program files. So pretty much this comes with a text document, a 3D object, and an MTL file. Every single gun you get will absolutely have to have a 3D object and a text file for it to work, and sometimes you'll see a material file depending on if they colored it or not. Okay, so pretty much the same thing goes for guns as it does for bodies and for heads. If you go back to customization here and we just go into body instead, you can see that it's pretty much the same thing. You've got just your text document, your 3D object, and your material file. And as long as you have all three of those in there, it should work for your body and your head. And yeah, same goes for down here as well. Okay, so in order to add maps, it's also pretty similar and it's right on the same note. Instead of going into customization, we're going to go up to Audica data instead. We're going to go to streaming assets, we'll go to audio assets, and then we're going to go to songs. And here's where you'll be able to find all the songs in the game so far, and this is also where you can add more songs. In order to find songs, it's pretty much the same thing again. You can find them through the Discord here. There's, if I could find it here. Alright, there we go. So yeah, there's lots of different custom maps here. You can download any of them, and as long as they got the .audica file, they're gonna work. So we've got the file here. I'll just drag it and drop it straight into there. Unlimited power. And yeah, it should be good to go. I'll show you them working in game now. Okay, now that we're in game, I'll show you how to go find all those things we just added. So the first thing we want to do is go into settings, and then let's check out the spectator cam. By turning on this, it's going to give us a third person view and allow us to see a lot easier what's going on with the body and head we just added. So we'll go back, and we'll go into customization, and we'll go look for the triple barrel shotgun. Perfect, here it is. One over, nice and easy. So as you can see, it looks like the model got added and everything is working perfectly. All you had to do was add those files in there and it should be showing up for you in game. A nice thing about Audica is that you can have the game open and add the files at the same time. You don't have to close the game. So if you wanted to add new guns while you were playing, you can just add them straight into the folder while you're playing and they'll show up for you. And the same thing is with the heads too. We'll go back out here. If you wanted to switch the bodies, you just go through these ones here and it'll show you which ones you need. Okay, so the last thing we have to check out is where that custom song went to. So if you go into songs, you go into extras, all of your custom maps are going to have the mapper under it with their name, and we're looking for ultimate power. There we go. Oh, I mean unlimited power. Perfect. And there's the mapper underneath, and everything's all good to go. You can play that whenever. So that just about covers everything for the mod side of things for Audica. If you have any questions about it or if anything's not working for you quite right, feel free to let me know in the comments and I'll see if I can give you a hand. Thanks for watching and have fun with Audica.